Good morning, students. So, I hope you all are well at your place. Yes. So now, yes. So now, now, can anyone tell me what we had done in previous class? If you remember that what we have done in previous class, any idea? Yes. So I will give you some hints. Yes. So now here is some question in front of you. So the which state of water does water cycle contain? Yes. So I hope you all give the right answer. So the solid, liquid, gas, or all of these. Yes. So the answer is what? All of the above. All of these. So solid, liquid, gas. So these all are the state of water which is existing water cycle. Yes. So now here is second question. So the water scarcity is the main reason to end the life. So yes, true. Why? Because we know that water ही नहीं होगा तो हमारा life चलेगा कैसे? Water ही नहीं होगा तो. So yes, students. So in previous class we had done with the water that how we what are the role of how we conserve water, how what is the role of us to conserve water, that how the water management is done. So the proper management. So these are something which we learned in previous class. So now previous class. So now come to the today's session that what so now here is now you observe this and tell me what is this, what you observe this, what is what you see, what do you think, what is this? Yes, this is a different fibers. Yes, different like first one is wool. Yes, wool, silk, yes, woolen sweater. This is the different fibers. Fibers. So I think you get the idea that which chapter we are going to start today. That which chapter? Yes, yes, very good. So yes, students. So we are going to start today the chapter 3, synthetic fiber and plastics. Yes, this is our second. This is our next chapter. Okay. So now synthetic fibers and what? Plastics. Yes. Yes. So now introduction that the clothes which we wear are made up of what these are the made up of what fabrics. In previous class also we learned about there is a in sixth class, in seventh class we learned about the how the fabric is made. Yes, how the fabric is made in the factories. Yes, so the clothes which we wear it is are made up of what? Fabric से क्या होता है? कपड़ा बनता है. Yes, so the fabrics are made from fiber, different fibers. Yes, the fabrics are made up of, I mean sorry, fibers. Like there is a fiber from, we obtain fiber from different source also. Yes, we, and from the fabrics we make the different clothes for us. Yes, so now the fibers are the obtained from natural or the artificial. So the fiber obtained from where? We obtain fibers from natural also, from artificial also. So from there we also obtained. Yes, the fiber in previous class or in previous we see that the from where we obtain fibers. Yes, there is a natural process, there is a artificial process is there, from where we get the fabrics or fiber. Okay, so now tell me what is fabric? Yes, any idea that what is fabric? So yes, now see what is fabric. So the clothes which are wear and made up of what? Fabrics. Yes, which clothes we wear, like जो कपड़ा हम पहनते हैं वो किस चीज से बना होता है? Fabric से बना होता है. Yes. So the fabric are made from what? From fibers obtained from natural or artificial source. Yes, so the fibers are like also used for making a large variety of household articles. So फाइबर्स जो है वो हम बहुत सारे वेराइटीज भी बनाते हैं उससे. बहुत सारे ऐसे वेराइटीज है लाइक जो फाइबर से हम बनाते हैं. कपड़े के अलावा भी बहुत सारे ऐसे चीज है हमारे घर में, लाइक कर्टन हो गया, फिर से बेडशीट हो गया। तो इस तरह से बहुत सारे ऐसे चीजें जो हम अपने इस फाइबर से हम बनाते हैं। यस सो द क्लोथ which we are made up of what? Fabrics. Yes, so that is called what? That is called fibers. We can say that is called what? Fibers. So the household artificial, these are the some different things which we uh, from which we make the our clothes. Okay, so the now here is one true and false in front of you. So the clothes which we wear are made up of what? Fabric. So it is true or false. So I will give so now you will give me the answer. This question is true or false. So yes, so this question is true. So I already discussed in the previous slide also, the clothes which we wear are made up of what? That is made up of fabrics. Yes, fabrics के help से हम क्या करते हैं? अपने clothes को बनाते हैं. Yes. So now here is something in front of you. So now you observe it carefully, and I will give you the 10 to 15 second. Then you tell me that what you observe from this image. Yes. So now you tell me that what you see in this image. Yes. So now in first picture you see that there is a cotton, silk, there is a wool, jute, plastic. Yes, yes, student, you see that? First one is what? First one is cotton plant. Yes, this one is what? Cotton plant. This one is what? This one is silk. Yes, silk type fabric. And this one is what? Wool. Yes, ऊन जिसको भी हम कहते हैं. Like, and this one is what? This one is the plastic. Yes, plastic की जो रस्सी होती है. We all see in our homes also. This one is the jute. So it is also seen in our house. Yes. Yes. So now see here. So now we can say that there is a fibers. Okay, so the fibers is that there is a two types of fiber. What? First one is the natural fiber, and second one is the what? Synthetic fiber. Yes. So there is a two types of fibers. First one is what? Natural, and second one is the synthetic fiber. So in natural fiber there is a two. First one is what? Plant, and second one is the animal fiber. Now so now see here, what is natural fiber? So the natural fiber is what? So the fiber that are made up obtained from what? Plants or animals, and are called what? Natural fiber. Natural से ही पता चला कि जो fiber है वो कहाँ से obtained होता है? Plant से और एनिमल से हमें नेचुरली ऑप्टेंड होता है. सो देयर इज सम एग्जांपल्स आल्सो. सो देयर इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ कॉटन. यस, कॉटन ऑप्टेंड फ्रॉम कॉटन प्लांट. एंड वूल, वी ऑल नो दैट द वूल ऑप्टेंड फ्रॉम वेयर? वी वूल ऑप्टेंड फ्रॉम sheep. Yes, and got also. Yes, so silk is obtained from which? Silk is obtained from where? We get from silk from caterpillar or butterfly, like yes, small. Yes, and the jute and etc. So these are some example of what? These are some example of natural fiber, which is obtained from where? Which is obtained from where? Plants and animals. Yes. So now here is some example in front of another. The cotton from cotton plant, silk from the silkworm, yes, wool from sheep, then hair fibers from rabbits, goats, yes, hair fibers भी हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? Like rabbits और goats के hair से भी हमें fibers मिलता है. And the lanin from the flax plant से lanin fiber मिलता है. So these are some example of natural fiber which is obtained from plants and animals. These are some animals, these are some plants from which we get the different types of wools. Okay, so now name the fiber. Yes, now here is two picture in front of you. So name the fiber, which fiber you see in this picture. Hmm. Yes, which type of fiber is this? Yes. So yes, first one is the cotton and second one is the what? Jute. Yes. So this one is the cotton and this one is the what, jute fiber. Yes, so very good students, you all are right. I think you all give the right answer. Yes, so now tell me what you see in your uh, screen. Yes, very good. I think you all say that there is a nylon, rayon, polyester, trilane. So what is this? What you see? What you depict from this image? What you think that what is this? Yes, yes, students. So I hope so you all are also same that these are some other fiber, that these all are what, artificial fiber. Yes, these all are what, artificial fiber. We can say that there is a nylon, rayon, polyester, trilene. So these are all what, these all are the synthetic, artificial fiber, we can say that. Yes, so now, yes, very good. So that these all are what, synthetic fiber. So the fiber which is made by who, which is made by human beings, which is made by us, so are called what, synthetic fiber. But the natural fiber we obtain from where, naturally plants, animal, and but this synthetic fiber is obtained from where, this synthetic fiber is obtained from human beings. Yes, I mean made by where, human beings. So the fiber or main made fiber, or we can also say that what, artificial fiber. I also told you that the synthetic fiber is also called what, artificial fibers. Okay, so synthetic fiber are made from what, different chemicals, and hence each kind of synthetic fiber have their own properties. Yes, जो like जो synthetic fibers होते हैं वो different chemicals से बन मिक्स होकर के बनते हैं, and also this fiber have the, like जिस जो भी fibers होता है उन सबकी अपनी अपनी क्या होती, क्वालिटी होती, प्रॉपर्टीज होती, और we can say that सबकी different properties होती है. Okay students, so yes, so now here is one question in front of you. So the fiber which is made by human is called what? Synthetic fiber. It is called synthetic fiber. So this is true or false? Yes, we already discussed in previous slide also. Yes. So yes, very good student. This one is a true. The fiber which is made by the human, that is called what, synthetic fibers, and it is also called what? It is also called artificial fiber. Okay. So we say both are same. Artificial or synthetic, both are same. Okay. So now, okay, students. So now recapitulation time. So today we have learned about what, we started chapter which is a, yes, synthetic fibers about. So there we learn about the, I think fiber spelling is wrong. So okay, so the five types of fiber. Yes, typing mistake. So the auto correction is there, I think so. Okay, so that fibers, like types of fiber, how many types of fiber is there? Two types of fiber, like natural and the artificial. In natural there is a plant and animal, yes, and that is obtained from naturally, but the artificial is also called what, synthetic fiber. Yes, our synthetic fiber is also called artificial. Yes, so now how many types of fibers is there? So I hope you all know that there is a two types of fiber, two types of fiber. First one is what, plant and I mean natural and artificial or synthetic fiber. Yes, so what is synthetic fiber? Yes, anyone have that, any idea that what is synthetic fiber? There is a two types of fiber. Yes, natural and synthetic fiber. So the synthetic fiber is, what is the synthetic fiber? Yes, so yes students, synthetic fiber is what, synthetic fiber is that fiber which is made by the humans. Yes, or which is made by and humans by adding of some chemicals, different chemicals. Yes, that are what, synthetic fiber. But natural fiber is what, obtained from naturally plants or animals. So that's a natural fiber. So now, so yes, this is your homework. Name the fiber of which is obtained. made of. I mean, sorry. So school bags, so school sheet, t-shirt, trouser. Also, from which material, which fiber is used to make this item. So this is your homework. So thank you, students. Make your homework. So we will meet you next class. Thank you.